You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today I am going to make another candy kit for you. This is one that I have shown on a previous video. It's actually like a little fishing kit. You make your little fish and they're on a string, and from there I think you just got to eat them, and it looks like it is grape flavored. Now I've done another candy type fishing kit, so it's not something that I haven't seen before, except that one you would actually throw your little fishing line in and try to catch the fish. This one I think is more for just enjoying and eating. There's the instructions, and first step I saw was to lay your string out, then put in the powder, then pour water over that and let it sit. I'll have to translate that, and eventually you're going to have gummy fish, your aquatic life that you get to chew on and eat, right? Well, we will see. I will do at least step one and get everything out of the package, and I'll get some water. And we'll at least be able to see that. Okay, so there is our powder. Powder pack. They give you the fishing pole, so you will be able to toss your fish around. And then there's where they want the string. I did translate that part. It says deep inside the string shall go. All right. And you get your little fishing pole. The string is already attached. Okay, so that we'll have to figure out. You get a nice little spoon. And that is really everything that's in there. All right, so let me get some water, let me figure this out, and then come back and make the kit for you. All right, so here we go. What I translated, it did say place the strap in the tray, but that would be the fishing line, so it just might have translated that way. And they have it starting here on this fish, and then working its way across this way. So let's set this way. There's actually a nice little spot there, but I don't think it's meant to stay. You kind of, I guess, have to get at least the length somewhat set. Okay, you almost need an extra set of hands in here to hold this in place. There we go. Okay, that's pretty close. At least it's starting to bend in that direction. Now it seems to want to stay a little bit better. You wind this up, get a little less tension on the line. Too much drag. Okay, this one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. Ooh, I think I got it. All right, so now the powder. Let me back this out just a little bit. Now they say one is the powder side. The big one's the powder side. This is the water side. Bring that over here. I'm going to put it in a bowl just so that I can scoop it out, but let me see. Maybe I can do it over a bowl like this. Okay, let me get this one here because it's the closest one to me. Okay, one. Two. Boy, if I move the line now, I'm in trouble, huh? Three, and the last fish. Now I have some extra, so I think I'm just gonna pour it from the bag. Because the bag is nice and pointy. Fill in some of the little areas. Okay. Ooh, a little too much there. I'm going to spread that one out just a little. Okay, I think I have it. Actually, I wish I had another tool. Let me just spread that one out. There we go. Spread that one out. Watch my fishing pole. Okay, now, like these other kits where we've done this before, you just start putting water on top, pretty much what it said, just fill it up with the other side. I'm going to do 2.5 per each one. It looks like that's going to be about where it soaks through. And then I'll be able to check. And then you need to let it sit for a little bit. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit, soak in a little bit, and I think from there, they didn't really give you a quantity when I translated. It just said, fill up the little gummy sections, and then pull it out when you're ready. So I'm going to let that sit, come back, and then we'll check it out. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. Now you're able to tilt it, so if you put a little too much water or extra water, you tilt it in the corners, and it looks like it fills up the little tray compartment. See that there? Ooh, I got it in 2 corners. There we go. Okay. So I put about 2.5. It did say scoop by scoop, so definitely not 1. You just got to get it just right. Now they say to just pull it up, but we'll see. And let me put my finger on it. Let me just at least pull and see. I'll try to push it from the bottom as I... Okay, that one came up really nice. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool, huh? And let me pull it from here. Alright, that one came up nice. And the last one, don't break. Line's gonna break. Too much tension on the line. This is the deepest one of them all. Oh, it does. Oh, there we go. Oh, and it made it. Check that out. Look how pretty the color is on the backside of my fishing line here. See that? That came out pretty cool. So that worked good, and it's harder. I thought it was going to be like a gummy candy. It's more like a hard candy. Here. See that? There's my fishing pole. Here, let me bring you right in there so you can see it, and then I will pretend to fish. Here we go. Let me get a big bowl here. Here, I'll get my little blue one. Dump out that water. There we go. I'm fishing. There we go. Here we are. Ooh, look what I caught. Oh, it just broke off. Oh, it hooks on. All right. Ooh. There we go. All right. Look what I caught. On one hook. 4 fish. Well, that was a fun kit. I think the hardest part was really just doing the string. All right, I got to taste it, right? So let me bring this back down here. You could all look at it one more time. Here, I'll tell you what, let me get this out of here. It's getting dirty. That's why I have my countertop, because my countertop, I can wash it and it stays pretty clean. Now you could hear it better. Listen. Hard candy, right? And then, all right, which one would you eat in the whole fishing pole line? I think I'm going to eat this one. I don't know why, because you could see part of the string, and then I still have fish hanging. Let's see how it cracks. Okay. It's almost like a sweet tart kind of candy. It's tasty. It's not too sweet. Got a little crunch to it. It's like eating a sugar cube almost. But it's very sweet. All right. There you go. I would say that's a pretty interesting kit. I'm glad you picked it for one that you wanted to see. Now I have a few more, so as I get to those videos, I'll add them. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. I had fun making it. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny, pick it up.